Dessert just got diet-friendly and delicious, so go ahead and splurge, guilt-free. Hi, it's Jan Diatri, and today I'm sharing a recipe that's easy to make, tastes delicious, and will help you lose weight and keep it off. This is clean eating the Red Mountain way. Who says you can't indulge on dessert when you're dieting? This treat is actually good for you. Baked pear with cinnamon and an amazing glaze that won't sabotage your weight loss program because the sweetness is calorie-free. Here are your 4 simple ingredients. Pears. You pick the variety like Bartlett or d'Anjou. Or if you love the idea of baked apples, this recipe is for you. To spice up the fruit, you'll need a teaspoon of cinnamon, a wonderful heart-healthy super spice. And for the sweeteners, you'll use the all-natural, zero-calorie Swerve Confectioners Sugar and zero-calorie pancake syrup. So let's get this simple dessert into the oven. Today, I'll be using 4 Bartlett pears. Slice the pears in half and then core out the center to remove the seeds. Pears are so great for a weight loss program since they're one of the lowest calorie fruits, but high in dietary fiber, and they're so rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, plus they boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. Once your pears are all cored, place them in a baking dish, then sprinkle the cinnamon over top. Did you know that cinnamon ranks #1 out of 26 most popular herbs and spices for its amazing antioxidant levels? It's also nutrient-rich and relieves inflammation. And cinnamon has only 6 calories a teaspoon, which is what we're using here. You'll bake the pears at 375 degrees for 25 minutes to soften. And in the meantime, let's make that yummy glaze. In a small saucepan, add 1/4 cup of zero-calorie pancake syrup and 1/2 cup of Swerve Confectioners Sugar. The combination is pretty amazing. The syrup adds the maple flavor, and the Swerve adds the sweetness that tastes and cooks up cup for cup exactly like sugar, except that it's natural, zero-calorie, non-GMO, and non-glycemic, so it's great for diabetics since it has no effect on insulin levels. Now, since this sauce will thicken as it heats and thicken even more as it cools, you can always add water a little at a time for desired consistency. When the pears are cooked, all you have to do is plate them up, drizzle that delectable sauce over top, and devour with joy. Yes, you can have a wonderful dessert that will make you a guiltless gourmet thanks to the clean eating kitchen at Red Mountain Weight Loss. For more great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.